Hey guys, Kellen with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the August Smart Lock Pro. And the great thing about this is that you can operate it with your phone. And you can also grant access to whoever you'd like, friends, family, or service people. Let's get started. First you'll download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and then you'll type in your phone number and password and you'll get a verification code sent to you. That'll be through email or text. You type that in and then your phone is registered. And then you can watch a video tutorial or you can just follow these simple steps. The lock is easy to install and all you'll need is a screwdriver. Next you'll place the adhesive strip on the keyed side of the deadbolt. Then you'll remove the screws of your old deadbolt lock. Now it's time to put the smart lock mounting bracket over your old deadbolt. You can even use your old screws. And then you'll screw in the mounting bracket. Then you'll choose and attach the correct lock adapter. Make sure that the smart lock is ready to go by removing the tabs on the batteries. Now it's time to install the smart lock unit. So you'll extend the side wings and you'll put it on the mounting bracket and then close them right up. Then you'll plug in the Wi-Fi hub and pair it with the smart lock via the app. That's it. It's really that simple. Alright, so the device is set up and it should work. And it's good to go. One great thing with this device is that you can customize it however you like. One cool feature is that you can set it to where you walk up the door and it automatically unlocks. It recognizes your phone, so you don't even have to pull out your phone and unlock it. So for more great smart home tips and tricks, head to FamilyHandyman.com.